In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a speeding ticket online in Tennessee state. To get started, it's important to know that Tennessee does not use one single statewide website for every traffic ticket. Instead, online payment is usually handled by the specific county circuit court clerk or city court where your ticket was issued. That means your first step is to go to the correct local ticket payment or record search website for the county or city listed on your citation. Once you're on the right site, look for the traffic ticket search or online payment section. In most cases, you'll be asked to enter your citation number and your birth date to locate the ticket and begin the payment process. Make sure you type the information exactly as it appears on your citation so the system can find your record without errors. The exact website you use depends on who issued the ticket and where it happened. If your citation was issued by the Tennessee Highway Patrol or a state trooper, the payment may be handled through a local court, such as the Nashville Criminal Court Clerk or the Shelby County Sheriff's Office, depending on the region. In many areas, these types of tickets may also be processed through the CitiPay USA platform. If your ticket was issued in Davidson County, including Nashville, you'll generally pay through the Davidson County Traffic Violation Bureau. State trooper citations in that area may also be handled by the Davidson County Criminal Court Clerk. If your ticket was issued in Shelby County, including Memphis, you can usually access the online portal through the Shelby County official website. For Memphis City tickets specifically, the City of Memphis e-payment site may be the correct option. Before you try to pay, keep in mind that newly issued citations may not appear right away. It can take about 5 to 10 business days from the date the ticket was issued for it to be entered into the online system. If you don't see your citation immediately, wait a few days and check again rather than assuming there's a problem. Also, be prepared for a convenience fee when paying online. Many courts charge a small, non-refundable processing fee for debit or credit card transactions, so the total amount may be slightly higher than the fine itself. One very important reminder: paying a speeding ticket online is generally treated as a guilty plea. That can result in points being added to your driving record, so make sure you understand that before completing the payment. Follow the correct local portal, enter your citation details carefully, and review the final amount before submitting your payment. That's how to pay a speeding ticket online in Tennessee state.